Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today's breakfast recipe is a very traditional recipe, and especially with the summers which have started quite early. It is getting very hot nowadays. A very simple yet very beneficial for your health. It helps to cool the body also. So let's see how to make this Venthiya Kanji. For this I have taken half cup of raw rice. Whichever regular rice you use at home, you can use that. Add about 1/4 cup of yellow moong dal and 1 teaspoon of methi seeds. Now we will wash everything and bring it back. In a pressure cooker, I am taking 3 cups of water. We will bring it to a boil. When the water starts boiling, add in this washed rice, dal and the methi seeds. Cover it and we will cook it for 2 whistles and switch it off. Meanwhile, we will make our coconut milk. Here is some fresh grated coconut. You can take about half of a large coconut or 1 cup of grated coconut. Add some warm water to this and we will grind it and extract the milk. Now we have ground the coconut. We will extract the milk. Just pass it through a sieve and filter out the coconut milk. Now we can take out this residue, put it back and again take out the milk one more time by adding little more water. Again filter it out for a second time and extract the coconut milk once again. We switched it off after 2 whistles. The pressure has released naturally. Now let's open it and have a look. Rice and dal have cooked to a lovely soft and mushy consistency. This is what we need. Now to this we will add the coconut milk which we have extracted. See, it is a little thick now. You can adjust the consistency as per your taste. I would like to make it a little more flowing, but always add only hot water. Don't add cold water to it. And adjust the consistency to your liking. All we need to do is to add a little bit of salt to taste. And our healthy Venthiya Kanji with the goodness of moong dal, methi seeds and fresh coconut milk is ready. We like it in this consistency, a little bit flowing like this. And along with it, I have served some homemade amla pickle at the side. You can serve whatever you have at home, any pickle or tohel or chutney, whatever you have. And even as such it tastes very good. Such a simple preparation made with minimal ingredients available at home. If you don't have access to fresh coconut, of course you can use the store-bought coconut milk also. And full of goodness of the methi seeds, of the green gram dal, and simple and easy to make, which can be given to small children and elderly too, for people of all ages. A very nourishing breakfast and specially good for cooling your stomach. Very often we find people having problems with stomach ulcers or mouth ulcers too. So this preparation is very good. Definitely try out this wonderful recipe. And for those of you who enjoy the taste of garlic, you can even add 5 to 6 cloves of garlic and cook it along with the rice and dal in the pressure cooker. That way also the taste will be simply awesome. And this is a true example of old is gold. Olden recipes always have their taste and nutrition value too. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.